Welcome to the revolutionary new world where entertainment, luxury, and nature combine to create the world's first ever luxury theme park. Coming to VidantaWorld Nuevo Vallarta. For the first time in history, the greatest creators in entertainment and theme parks have come together with the sole mission of creating an entirely new park for all generations. At Bonn, Beauty of Nature Luxury Theme Park, adventure knows no bounds. With multiple lands and an unheard-of variety of attractions, the journey begins with Empire of Light, an awe-inspiring land of epic proportions, where you will be transported to a world beyond imagination. At Fantasy Gardens, guests will encounter an enchanted wonderland filled with unforgettable characters on attractions like Delia's Adventure and Azari's Flight. The journey continues at Adventure Valley, home to incredible family-friendly rides ranging from the vibrant Carousel of Colors to the fast-flying Time Quest. Next up, Wonder Bay and Bonn Plaza, a land where luxury awaits at every turn. Explore world-class entertainment, meet fantastical creatures, and savor gourmet dining that's nothing short of extraordinary. But that's not all. Prepare yourself for the groundbreaking Cirque du Soleil dinner show, LÚDŌ. LÚDŌ will have the world's only 360-degree theater with a wraparound aquarium that will redefine immersive entertainment. And the adventure keeps getting bigger in the land of legends, where the forces of nature collide in unforgettable ways. Prepare to fly to soaring new heights on the Goddess of Fire, the Speed of Light, and on one of the most anticipated adrenaline-pumping roller coasters of all time, Tecuani Beast. Discover a vacation as big as your dreams and as bold as your imagination. Get ready to discover the beauty of nature. VidantaWorld's Bonn Luxury Theme Park.